Okay, so the problem is the quadrants, right?
Yes.
So given point, 1 point, xy, so we should find out if it's in quadrant A, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. We call it A, B, C, D, right?
Yeah.
What are the quadrants, do you know?
1, 2, 3, 4.
X and Y, right? So let's get the pencil from here. Where is it? Here, right? Look. Do you know the X and Y? Ruha?
Yes. Yes.
What's this point?
That 0, 0.
0, 0, right? What's this?
0, 1.
No, 1, 0.
1, 0.
How about this?
1, 2, 0.
2, 0, right? How about this?
3, 0.
3, 0. How about this?
4, 0.
4, 0, right? How about this one?
Minus
1,
minus
minus 2, blah, blah, right? And how about here? Ruha?
0. That's 0.
Oh, this is 0?
No, 1.
1. How about here?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. How about here?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Is it X or Y?
Y.
This is Y. How about this?
X.
X, right? Noah. Now you're gonna tell me a point, okay? What is this point here?
Quadrant 4.
So tell me, what's this point?
Oh, 3 and minus 3.
3 and
Minus 3.
minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? Minus 3. Okay. 3 and minus 3, is it in quadrant A or B, C or D?
D.
Where is it? Okay, now, this problem is for Ruha. Ruha, listen. 7, the point 7 and minus 3, where is it?
The point 7 and minus 3 is
A, B, C, D, where is it?
A.
7 and minus 3?
No.
X is 7, so it should be on this side, right? And minus 3 is down
in
here.
D.
In D, right. Now, Noah, you tell me minus 5 and minus 3. Where is it?
Minus 5 and minus 3 is quadrant C.
C, right. Now, Brian.
Yeah.
So we got that if both X and Y are positive, it's A, right?
Yeah.
If X is negative, Y is positive, it's B.
Yeah.
And you know the rest, right? C, D.
Yeah.
So let's try to code. What should we do? First, get the X and Y points, right? How do I get it?
X equals.
X and Y equals.
No. If you because in the answer, this thing is.
It's reading in 2 lines, right?
Yeah.
Let me look at the problem here. Oh, I didn't look at that. So, in 2 separate lines, so what should I use? Right. Oh, what happened? Again? Go back. Be patient. Ooh, connected. We have quadrants here. Ruha,
Yeah.
tell me how to read the numbers. X equals?
X equals.
Are they integers?
No, input and then.
And Y equals?
Y equals the same as X. Input.
Input, right? Now, how do I know if it's A quadrant or B quadrant or CD? How do I know? If X is bigger than 0 and Y is bigger than 0, then what?
Print 1.
Print?
1.
No, we should print the quadrant name,
Oh, A.
which is A, right?
No, but in the thing it says 1.
1? Okay, then let's print 1. Then how about for 2? What should I do? X is less than 0 and Y is
Bigger than 0.
right. Now Noah will tell me the 3 one. 2 is finished, 3. X is less than.
X is less than the
Less than what?
0.
0, right. And Y is?
And Y
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we can do 3 here. Else, if it's not the case, what should we do?
Print 4.
Print 4, right?
Yeah.
Now, what if the point is 0, 0? What happens? Then it will print 4. Actually, we don't care that, because here, if you can look at this, look. X doesn't equal to 0, Y doesn't equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Now let's test the code. Let's give some crazy number like 1 minus this number. Oh,
Oh my god, that's crazy.
This.
Well, what a print.
And for Y, I'm gonna give this. What's this? A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which quadrant is that?
Well, really a crazy number.
Which quadrant is this?
Let's see. A. No, not A. B? D. Yeah.
B. It's number 2, right?
Yeah.
Cool. The code is working. Everything is fine. Now you can submit your code.